What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are reviewing this RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. Let's open it up. Alright, so in the box you got your charging cable for wired or charging it. You got your tools and USB stick to use wireless 2.4 GHz mode. And obviously you got the actual keyboard. First thing I noticed is this keyboard looks really high quality. Really solid, no rattling, sounds really good for a keyboard. Cool scroll wheel, black color, looks really cool as well. So here's what you get right out of the box. You get your nice cable for connecting it to your computer or charging it. You got a USB holding thing so you could switch it for one of your keys right here, and the USB dongle to plug into your computer. You also got this nice keycap puller. You have a screwdriver for taking it apart if you need to, and an Allen key. You get 3 different modes on this keyboard. You get to use the cable that it comes with to plug it into your computer. You have a Bluetooth mode right here. You also have a 2.4 GHz mode for using this USB stick. This keyboard has some really cool RGB lights on it. It has nice sounding keys and a few different functions for different RGB modes. If you want to cycle through all the RGB modes, press the FN button and then backspace. This will switch through different modes that you can use on this keyboard. This blue flashing right here means that it is on Bluetooth mode and not connected. It will not be there if it is connected properly. If you want to see your battery life when you are using the 2.4 GHz mode or Bluetooth mode, you press FN spacebar. All the way up to 0 means fully charged, 2 means barely charged at all. So right now it is fully charged. If you want to use this cool keycap puller tool that it comes with, you just spread these prongs apart, stick it onto the key you want to pull off, and then just pull up. It's pretty easy. If you want to take off the button as well, you use this side of it, stick it on there vertically with the button, pinch it, then just pull up. Then you get this thing right here which holds the key and senses all the button inputs that you press on here. If you want to stick it back in, then all you do is make sure these 2 prongs on here are sticking upright towards the top. Press down. Then to put the key on, make sure that the symbol or letter is facing towards you, then stick it down on there. Some cool features about this keyboard is that it is gasket mounted. So that means that there's a piece of rubber in between the 2 pieces of the frame on here so that it sounds really nice and not cheap. Also, this scroll wheel is a button and a scroll wheel. So what you do is this turns the volume up and this turns it down. Pressing that will mute or unmute your volume. This keyboard is also compatible with QMK and VIA or VIA. That allows you to completely recode this keyboard into making it do something else or think it is a different keyboard. That means if you want to use a signal RGB or another RGB controller to make this work in your setup, you could just change the software of this keyboard and make it think it is another keyboard so that it works with the software that you want to do. If you want to restore this keyboard to factory settings, press FN escape for 3 seconds and then it should flash red 3 times. This will tell you that you have done it correctly and it is back to factory settings. Also, if you are going to reset the firmware on this keyboard, the website does give you a warning about viruses, how it could be unsafe to go to, but I didn't have any problems with it. If you're worried about viruses, you could stay clear from it. This keyboard works right out of the box. Out of all, I would rate this keyboard a 4 out of 5 stars. If you would like to pick one up for yourself, the link is down in the description. Peace out.